Quantitative data refers to information that can be measured and expressed in numerical terms. This type of data is used to quantify variables, allowing researchers to evaluate trends, make comparisons, and test hypotheses. Unlike qualitative data, which focuses on descriptive or thematic information, quantitative data relies on numbers, percentages, and statistical analysis. Examples include counts, frequencies, measurements, and financial figures. It is often collected using structured methods such as surveys, experiments, or tools like thermometers and scales. Quantitative data is numerical and objective, meaning it provides factual, measurable information that does not rely on personal interpretation. It is often categorized into two types: discrete data, which consists of specific values like the number of students in a classroom, and continuous data, which can take any value within a range, such as height or temperature. Another characteristic is its reliance on scales of measurement, such as nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio scales to define how the data is recorded and analysed. Quantitative data is also typically collected in large quantities to ensure accuracy and reliability, and it is often analysed using statistical tools like averages, standard deviations, and regression analysis. Now let's look at some examples. In a scientific experiment, quantitative data could include the time it takes for a chemical reaction to occur, measured in seconds. In education, quantitative data might refer to a student's test scores, expressed as percentages or grades. Another example is in business, where companies track sales figures, such as the number of units sold or the total revenue earned in a quarter. These examples show how quantitative data is used across different fields to analyse and interpret numerical information. Now let's look at some strengths of quantitative data. One major strength is its precision and clarity. Since it is expressed in numerical terms, quantitative data eliminates ambiguity and provides clear, measurable results. This allows for straightforward comparisons and trends to be identified over time. For instance, researchers can compare the average temperature across decades to study climate change. Another strength is its scalability. Quantitative data can be collected from large groups of people or extensive datasets, making it useful for surveys, experiments, and national statistics. This scalability ensures that the findings are representative and applicable to a broader population. A third strength lies in its ability to support statistical analysis. Quantitative data allows for complex mathematical and statistical methods to be applied, such as correlation, regression, and hypothesis testing. This makes it a powerful tool for proving or disproving theories in science, economics, and other fields. However, quantitative data is not without its weaknesses. One limitation is that it may lack context or depth. While numbers provide measurable results, they do not explain why certain patterns or trends occur. For example, a survey might show that 60% of students struggle with math, but it does not explain whether the issue lies in teaching methods, curriculum design, or student motivation. Another weakness is its reliance on accurate measurement. Errors in data collection, such as faulty equipment or poorly designed surveys, can lead to incorrect results. For instance, if a scale used to measure weight is not calibrated properly, all the data collected using it will be inaccurate. A third weakness is that quantitative data often requires significant time and resources to collect and analyse. Large-scale studies or experiments involve designing tools, collecting data, and performing statistical analysis, which can be costly and time-consuming. This makes it less practical for small-scale or low-budget research projects.